Tree Trimming Capalaba. Capalaba Tree Removal is a trusted provider of tree services, including tree trimming. With over 15 years of experience, our professional arborists offer tree lopping, removal, and stump grinding services with a focus on efficiency and quality. We prioritize the health and appearance of your trees and the surrounding environment. Our team is dedicated to delivering customized tree care solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether it's routine maintenance or a major tree removal project, we remain committed to delivering top-notch results. Stump grinding services are available to remove unsightly stumps and promote healthy tree growth. Our arborists use cutting-edge tools and technology to ensure effective and efficient tree care services.